Hey y'all, so welcome back to my channel, and I'm back with another video today. As you all can see from the title, today I'm going to talk about today I'm going to show you all how to style your braids with beads at the end. I know a lot of times when we get braids or do a different style, we just don't know what to do. So today I'm just going to show you all how I style my braids, and hopefully you all can pick up these styles and embrace your beauty and enjoy your hairstyle, not just in one way but in many ways. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I love you all so much, and yeah, let's get to the video.
Do you try on all your nights like this? Put some spotlight on the slide, oh yeah.
Okay y'all, so I am done. That is all for part 1. If you like this video, make sure you like it and comment and let me know if y'all want part 2. If you get this video to 200 likes, I will do part 2. But thank you all so much for coming over to my channel today and watching my styles, and I hope that you all enjoyed. And yeah, focus on the things that you can control and don't allow the things that you can't control. Why I do that every time? Focus on the things that you can control and don't allow the things that you can't control to control you, boo, because you all that in a flower shirt and everything in the world. Love you all so much, and thank you so much for tuning in. Have a good one.